We're going to solve problems with cooling and humidifying. So you have a given mass of air is equals to 1 kilogram of air per second at a humidity ratio of 0.009 and humidity ratio to 0.015. So required natin is ang mass of water vapor. So natin solution na MW is equals to MA times W2 minus W1. So ating plug-in ng values natin MW is equals to 1 times 0.015 minus 0.009. So ating cancel out ng unit, equilibrium of air, equilibrium of air. So magbilin is MW is equals to 0.006 kilogram of vapor per second. So now the next problem. We have a given mass of air is equals to 2 kilogram of air per second and temperature drop na 12 degrees C. So atong required is QS. So what is solution ng QS is equals to MCP delta T. Atong plug in ang values ng QS is equals to 2 kg per second times 1.005 kilojoules per kilogram K times 12 degrees C. So ito yung cancel ang values. Cancel ang kilogram of air.